Kerala lottery guessing. This is specifically an English version of the audio that I have demonstrated with this video. So normally on demand requests from friends here, I normally create a version in Tamil. Today, since I have a peaceful environment in front of me, around me, which is the reason why I'm creating this video with an English audio. So to give you an idea of what exactly uh, and how exactly these addition sequences are working for us. So you can see on the screen there are 7 different uh, charts, or you can see 7 different tabs given different days. Like you have 2 Saturdays, 1 Tuesday, 1 Monday, 1 Wednesday, 1 Thursday, 1 Friday. So only sequence here that is missing here is a Sunday, which technically has been replaced with another sequence based on a Saturday. So if any of you have been lately following my videos, you can see the addition sequence videos that are being uploaded on Facebook as well as YouTube. So the sequence today would only be uploaded on YouTube because you're not officially supposed to entertain and share videos which relate to guesswork, which actually encourage people to bet or play the lottery. So that is the reason why uh, we wouldn't be sharing this video on Facebook. Maybe we would share a link of this on Facebook for people to watch and understand the different sequences that we normally can follow here. So we'll take an example, this chart, which is based on golden yellow with a blue color marked in it, and you can see at the top of the screen the day Wednesday is marked as a color in brown. So this chart basically means is the addition that is based for guesswork is based on the sequence of a Wednesday. So the figure that comes as the last digit of the sequence, which comes on a Wednesday, is the base figure for the addition figures that we calculate. So for example, the last sequence of the sequence which came yesterday was 0. So if I put 0 here, based on this addition sequence, I get an addition of 8730. So there are 4 digits, 4 different digits added to the last digit which came on a Wednesday, which for example like yesterday was a Wednesday, and the sequence that would cover as the guesswork based on the addition of 8730, I get 4 distinct numbers. So 8730, which gives me 4 digits, 8730. So based on 8730, we would expect these figures to come in any of the 4 boards, that is board D, board A, board B, board C. So these 4 figures can come in any of the 4 boards, and if two two of these sequences, suppose 8730 comes in two of these sequences on 2 boards, so like the result for today, that is Thursday, is going to come out tomorrow, which is Friday at 1:30 p.m. So suppose if we say 7365 is the 4 digits that come out of the last 4 digits of the first prize, so DABC would be 7365. So let me put in 7365 here, for example. 7365. So if you categorically see, you have 7 and you have 3, which means 2 digits of the 4 digits have come in the sequence. So what we would do here is we would go ahead and mark this in the color blue. So this would mean that the sequence has passed. 2 digits out of 4 digits is the minimum requirement that is considered as a pass here. So for now I am not going to mark this here. I'm going to undo what I have done. So basically what this means is uh, this particular sequence, that is 8730, is likely to come between Thursday, which is today, or the sequence of today, Thursday, then we have Friday, then we have Saturday, then we have Sunday, then we have Monday, then sorry, we'll go again. 1 2 3 4 5 Monday, 6 Tuesday, Wednesday is the 7th, 7 days, and we would be expecting this sequence of 8730 to come at least 3 to 4 times in two boards. So like you can see the previous weeks, like you can see the last week here, the sequence started from a Thursday and ended on a Wednesday. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 5 days out of 7 days the sequences come. So what we'll do is, here there was 2, so if we put 2 here and you add the 8730, you get a sequence of 0952. Now let us see how many places these have come. So 0 and 5 makes it minimum of 2 places where the figure has come. Then here again you have 09 has come 3 times. Here again double 9 2 times. Here you can see 2 and 9 again 2 times, and then 2 and 5 here again 2 times. So out of 5 days out of the week you see the sequences come. Then we look at this last week, it was 5, so I put 5 here. I get 3285 as the sequence. First day 3 and 2 came, then 3 and 8 came on Friday, then Saturday did not come, Sunday did not come, Monday also did not come, Tuesday also did not come, Wednesday also did not come. So you can see here, for the sequence to remain active and come consistently, you can see here the sequence started here. You can see a chunk of layers coming together. This was the second week, this was the third week, it's all integrated. This is the fourth week, this is the fifth week, this is the sixth week. It stopped here. Then a new sequence started, one week. Then you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It ended here, and then a new sequence started. 1 2. Here also you can see 1 2. This sequence was moved away till here, and thereafter you can see the sequence came for 6 days. It has been 5 days that this sequence hasn't come, and today, that is Thursday, the result which would come tomorrow, and there is a high chance of the sequence which will come Friday tomorrow. We will have a combination of 8730. So out of these 4 digits, if you very well understand the sequence of what is likely to come tomorrow would be in the same region. You can see the sequence of 8 came on last week Tuesday. Thereafter we haven't seen any sequence of 8 coming here in any of the boards. Then you had 0, zeros come like 1 2 times here, once here, 3 times 0 has come. You need a combination which comes at least 2 times. Once any sequence comes, it is of no great value. We need it to come 2 times to be able to consider that as the sequence to pass through on a given day. So minimum, if we don't expect 8 to come tomorrow, we expect a combination of either 70, 730 or 30. Either one of those three combinations to come. So you can see here Friday we've had 7-3, then here again we had 7-3, we had 4-7 here. So chances of 7-3-0 coming for today's result, which would be declared at 1:30 p.m. tomorrow, is high. 7-3-0 as a combination that you can see for Thursday, and then for Friday you can have a combination of maybe 8-0-0-4. You can see combination of 804, you can see 0044 here, and thereafter 2 weeks there is a gap, you can see 00 here again. So you can expect a 00 to come tomorrow as well. If the sequence comes tomorrow, then you can just simply look at 8420 combination. So for now, if you play the combinations of say 42, for now focus on 70, 07, 30, 03, then you have 7-3, you have 3-7. This is for Thursday. If there is a chance to look at the sequence for Thursday again, and you can play the sequence for Thursday. These are the 6 pairs that you can play. Then the 3-digit pairs are 730, 703, 370, 307. Then you have 037, 073. So this is for Thursday. Then for Friday, what you can look at is a combination of 0, you can look at a combination of 4, you can look at a combination of 2 and 8. So for Friday you have 842, 824, 248, 284, then you have 428, 482, then you have 240, 204, 042, 024, then what remains is 420 and 402. So these are the two different sequences that you have. Thursday, if there is an opportunity to pick on Thursday, you can do so tomorrow. If the time is already exceeded, so you can ignore it. You can just keep a track of these numbers that can be reviewed tomorrow. But here you have Friday, you have like 12 sequences that you can pick from. Then the 2-digit sequences 4224, 0220, then you have 0440, then you have 2442, 4884, then you have 2882. So again, this is based on 2-digit sequences. Whatever that you want to prefer, you would like to go for 3 digits, you can go for 3 digits. If you want to go for 2 digits, you can go for 2 digits. So that is it, friends, for today. This is just specifically one day sequence that we've looked at. If there was a sequence that had come today, then probably would have looked at for a sequence based on today for Friday. But tomorrow we'll have a look at how Thursday figures that is going to impact from Friday to Thursday next week. So if the sequence had come for today, you could have seen 4 digits calculated based on here. Last week's the figure was 6. We can just simply review what has come in the last 1 week. So we'll take 7873, that is 1. Then you had 1719, that is 2. After that you had 0063, 0063. Then here you have sorry, you have 6927. Then here you have 9712. Then you have 1510 here. So we can have a look. This starts from here. 7 and 8 is a part of it, so this is definitely pass. This is not pass. We just have 1 7 and no other sequence to go along with it. Then here we have a double zero, so we will consider the double zero as a pass. So pick that one here. Then again here doesn't pass, only 7. Again here is 7, doesn't pass. Here we have 5 and 0 both, so this sequence passes here. So today we don't know what was the sequence, or rather we will know the sequence tomorrow, so we'll have a review of it tomorrow. So you can see 3 out of 6 days this sequence has already come. Tomorrow or today was the 7th day. You can see the sequence is about to break. You can see this sequence that is spread to the weekend, or like Friday and Saturday, stopped here. There was a break in the sequence, so there is a likelihood that whatever sequence that comes for a Thursday, this sequence is not going to come here. So out of the 0875, you could probably expect 70 or 750 that would have come today. So here we picked up 730, so can add another sequence here, which is a combination of 7350 for a Thursday. So that is something that you could look at, and that would have definitely be a combination of 7305, 3057, 3075, 7. Okay, sorry. Then you can have something with 0573, 0537. Then you can have 5730, 5703. So you have different sequences. We'll have more sequences. These are just 8. We can have another 8 sequences as well, which are combination of DABC, something that you can look at, and that is what something that you would be expecting to come for a sequence that which is likely to be drawn as a result tomorrow. So for Thursday, these are the 4-digit sequences that are going to likely to be drawn as the result coming in DABC. So thank you for watching. We'll connect with another video tomorrow. I hope that will be more informative and more helpful for your viewing. Thank you.